Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I was able to catch this 15-hour trade and how you can also catch trades like this. And I'll be using the liquidity strategy, but a little bit different from the one you have been seeing in my channel. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can catch the details. And if this is your first time on my channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button. See you after the intro.
Welcome to ADEXIB Academy. In this class, we will dive into the exciting world of Forex trading. Get ready to learn the ins and outs of currency markets and how to trade like a pro. Learn from the best and watch your success soar. ADEXIB Academy.
Welcome back. So in the videos I've been recording lately, you'll notice that most of the time we want to see the liquidity, our liquidity in this leg that broke structure, right? If you go and check all my videos that I've been making since September about liquidity trading, you'll see that most of them are in this leg that broke structure. But that's not all. You can also have your liquidity in this return leg. Okay, so how can you have it? You have the leg coming back, then creating a fake change of character like this, or shift in market structure. Okay, so when you see that, some people will definitely put their take entry here because they see change of character, they put their entry here and their stop loss right below here, and that can be used straight up for liquidity. So that is why this is also a strategy that works. Okay, so all you need to see, number one, is break of structure. Then number two, you need an order block. Okay, then you have that liquidity in the leg that is pulling back. Okay, that liquidity can actually be a change of character just like this, and it can also be an equal low or trend line liquidity. Okay, so the point is that you can also find the liquidity in the line in the pullback leg, not always in the leg that broke structure. Okay, so you see that we have a change of character here, right? Price sweep the low and sweep the high. So some people put their entry and SL right below. So immediately that price sweep that low, that liquidity pool, then it tap into your order block. You go to your entry time frame and you look for your entry model. Okay, we have different model for entry also, but this is the one that I've been using right from the beginning. And with time, I will record more videos uh uh focusing on entry model. So that is just it. So let's go into the charts and see some candlestick example. So this is an example we have right here. Okay, we have a break of structure to the downside clearly, and this is the leg. That is the leg that that broke structure. This is the price action that broke structure, right? That's the leg that broke structure. And this is the pullback leg, right? So you can arguably say we have this as our liquidity spot, right? If you mark that as liquidity, let me mark it correctly. You can mark this spot, for example, as liquidity. Yes, because that is exactly what it is. It's another block and it's fake order block. So some people are going to put their entry there and stop loss right over it. Okay. So we have an order block at the top here. This is a very tricky order block. I can just use this extreme right here. Do it as a mitigator, but we can still trade from it. Okay. As you can see, price did not clearly tap into it, right? Price did not clearly tap into it. So we'll just ignore that. And price shift structure to the downside in this leg, right? As you can see, in that leg is switch structure to the right side, meaning that some people may want to start trading for shorts from here. Seeing that break of structure to the downside, they want to put their entry. So automatically their SL will be above here. Their SL will be above right there, and that's what we need for our own order block, right? So that's exactly what we need. So we need price to come and clear this liquidity and tap into our order block. we have another break of structure to the downside, making that place more strong. Okay, because some new people will still enter again. Let's see. Right. So price has taken their stop losses and tap into our order block. So we'll go to our entry time frame. Let's say we are using 1 minute and we have this switch. So we're going to be targeting here. It depends on how you want to enter your trade. Some people will just enter from here and put their SL out above. Okay, it depends on your risk manager and put their SL right here. Okay, and some people will not do that. They will put their SL here. But me, I'll preferably put my SL there and I'll target the low. I'll target this low, right? So that 8 hour, I can just make it 9. Okay, I can just make it 9. So let's see how that will play out. Let's see how that will play out. Okay, that's an SL, but since it's still within our order block, we can still find another entry, right? Since it's still within our order block, we can still find another entry. So let's look for another entry that stopped us out. Let's look for another one. And we have another one here because this change of character right there. Right? Okay, it has not really closed below this last one. Okay, it has already closed below it. So we have our entry right there. Uh I'll just use it from here because I don't want to miss the entry. I've already taken a loss, so I wouldn't want to miss my entry. I wouldn't want to miss my entry. I've already taken a loss. So I'll give little space because with RDB we left some space. Okay, to still take us out. All right, so I'll give a little space above the SL. Okay, the SL is supposed to be right on top of this other block. That's 2.6. So can just add 1 pip to make it 3.6. Okay, so that makes sense, right? So the same targets, 15 minutes. I'll go and target the low. I'll target the low 15 minutes. So that's starting how I'll just okay 14. Let me just make it 15 because it's not too far from this low. I expect price to push down. Okay. So this 15-hour trade, let's see. I'm going to get stopped out again. So this is like a start execution. Okay. All right. So we are in the trade. Let's see what happens. Oh, you see the reason why we always leave that space is very important. Okay. Sometimes I do forget to state it in the video, but bear it at the back of your mind that you must leave little space, at least 1 pip. Okay. Don't put your SL on top uh of the last high like that. Just give 1 pip. Okay. So I think this is a good trade. So that is it. We have our full 15 hour after one SL. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe if you have not, if this is your first time seeing my channel. And make sure you like, make sure you share with your friend, make sure you drop your comments. See you in the next video.